Hello beauty unicorns and welcome back to my channel, and this video that is going to be me showing how I created my own palette with singles that I love from companies that I love. This is obviously not all the companies I love and all the singles I love, but it's a good selection. And also I am giving you the opportunity to win one of these yourself, because I'm going to show you a bunch of things, but I have but like all of the shadows that I'm showing you, I have another copy of them right here on the side, so you'll be able to win a copy of this palette that I'm going to show you for yourself. Today when this video is going live, this is my birthday. I am turning 34 today, and I thought a fun thing would be for me to show like my dream palette. Like I wish if a big eyeshadow palette came out, I wish it was the palette that you're about to see in this. I chose the Empty Colourpop palette because these are affordable, and they're also like they fit a good amount of shadows, because I wanted, even though I prefer smaller eyeshadow palettes, if I'm gonna give away a dream palette, I want it to be substantial. Like I want you to have a big palette, like a lot of my favorites. So this is gonna be a giveaway, and I will give you like the rules on how to enter the giveaway towards the end of the video. But let me just show you how the palette that I created for myself, like me creating my own dream palette, how it looks. And it looks, are you prepared? Like this. Like how fun is this palette? And I didn't really include any browns, any beiges. I didn't include like a black, I didn't include a bone colored, I didn't include a white. You have that. If you want to create your own perfect palette, like something that's really you, first of all, I don't need those colors to make it look. That's just me. And second of all, I have those colors. Why would I put in something that people already have in a palette that would be my dream one? So I wanted to span over the color selections that I love to use and the combos that I love to use. So these are some of my favorite eyeshadows from some of my favorite eyeshadow brands. Not everyone is included in this, but most of them. Some of them aren't included because I have so many favorites, but I just wanted to show you. And I also, when I did this palette, tried to think like, what would you need to actually create a whole look? What would you need in diversity and colors and stuff like that? So I'm just gonna do this row by row, and also I'm hoping that I'm gonna have close-ups up on this side with row by row of like how they look. I'm hoping that. So we're gonna swatch them one by one, and I'm gonna tell you what they are. And these are colors that I chose that would be in my perfect palette. First is Makeup Geek's I'm Peachless. I love this color. It is a stunning color. This is a color that works as a lid shade, as a transformer shade on top of anything else, and it also works as actually a highlighter. It is absolutely stunning, and I love this shade. This is one of my favorite shades ever. And another color that actually has some resemblance to I'm Peachless, that was by Makeup Geek, by the way, is After Party by Luxie. I also wanted to include this because this is also one of my favorite peach eyeshadows, but this has more of a like a pink to it, and this is more opaque than the other one. That one is more of those like duochrome transparent base shades, and this has more of a base shade. So this is more of a pinky peach shade. There's more of a metallic. It is not transparent at all, and it's absolutely beautiful. After Party by Luxie is one of my favorite shadows ever by Luxie. It is stunning. Next shadow is Best Coast Scenario by Colourpop. This is absolutely stunning. This is such a great like matte shade. You can sheer it out so it can become like a more like see-through peach, but you can also build it up to become this beautiful like bright in your face poppy coral one. It is absolutely beautiful. It's almost like a neon. So Best Coast Scenario by Colourpop, it's amazing. Next, I really felt like I wanted to have a red. This is a red matte that's called Elethia by Divina. It is a beautiful one that is like almost toned down a bit, but you can build this up in the crease to become really vibrant. But it is like almost has a pastel tone to it. It's almost like it's toned down a bit. It is not like it's in your face, but it's still not a vibrant red. It is absolutely stunning, and I thought that this red together with the peaches and the pinks in the palette would be beautiful. Next shade is also a shade by Divina, and this is Blazed, and this is a vibrant red metallic, and this is absolutely stunning. I think that everyone would be happy to have this in their collection. It is a striking red metallic. It is stunning, stunning. And this is also by Divina. I'm so happy to include it. Next is another favorite by Colourpop. This is Going Steady. It is that plummy purple goodness that is absolutely stunning. It is like a purple that has a bit of warmth to it, but it actually deepens up a red so beautifully. Like these three together at the end would make an amazing red purple smoky look. So beautiful. And I will try now to put the close-ups here on the side so that you can see what the first row actually looks like a bit closed up. But this is the first row, the one that goes from here up to here, and as you can see we have 3 more to go, and I'm so happy. I wish that this palette was reality. I wish that more than one of you could get your hand of this already put together, but at least I'm swatching it so you can see if you want to like include some of these shades in your collection. Next row is the one that has the yellow matte and then the yellow bright and then some pinky purpley like peachy colors, and I wanted to have a yellow in it, but I thought I'd take this Paper Tiger by Colourpop because this is like a light mustard yellow, and I thought that that would fit the best with both the reds and the green in the palette. This is a really pretty color from Colourpop and I really like it. It is a very nice light mustardy yellow. This would go so good both with a red and with a green. I will show you some greens in a bit. This one is one of my favorite by Makeup Geek. This is Fortune Teller. This is one of the foiled shadows, and I wanted to include at least one foiled shadow because I think the formula is stunning, and this bright yellow, it is supposedly a gold, but I think that this is more of a yellow metallic than a gold because it is so bright. It is so beautiful. First time I saw this, I was like, this is heaven on earth. It is absolutely stunning. This is another color that is a real favorite of mine from Makeup Geek, and this is Poppy. It is a bright coral, and this one together with I'm Peachless makes the most amazing spring look ever. This is so beautiful, and this can be built up in the crease. Poppy by Makeup Geek is absolutely stunning, and I'm so happy I put it in here. It would definitely be a part of my dream palette. I love using bright pinks in the crease, and this is Sandbar by Colourpop, and this is definitely one of my favorites by Colourpop. It is such a nice, smooth, bright pink. I mean, this even swatches amazing. Sandbar is so beautiful, and I love a bright pink matte. I think that's beautiful, and especially if you can match it with this one, which is 143 by Colourpop. Another favorite of mine is a beautiful like matte striking purple. It is absolutely stunning. It is really beautiful. I mean, these together, imagine what a fun look you can have. And the last one in this row is Vicious by Divina. This is a beautiful mid purple metallic. It is absolutely stunning. It has a bit of like light blue, like a light blue hint to it, and it's absolutely stunning. That is like a periwinkle purple metallic. Look at how beautiful these 3 colors would be together in the look. This Vicious by Divina is beautiful. And yeah, hopefully we'll have some swatches here, but that is the second row, this one, and all the way up here to the purple one. It is more of a pinky purple, beautiful row. That would be amazing for like summer looks. I love having like a poppy, summery, fresh, almost fruity look when you're going into summer, and that row will definitely do that for you. So now we're going into the third row, and I wanted to add another because I love like mustard yellows in the crease, and this is a new one by Colourpop that I really like, which is Koi, and it's a bit darker and a bit more of an orange than Paper Tiger, and it's absolutely stunning. And as you can see, this is a nice color to have with reds or with greens or with that Paper Tiger to just have a nice mustardy crease. I think that is beautiful. I'm really happy I included it. And now we're going into the first blue. This is Blue's Clues by Touch of Glam. I wanted to include as many indie brands as possible in here, and hopefully some that I haven't like featured before. This is a light blue metallic, or like a shimmer, more like a super shimmer, And this is very beautiful. This could be a lid color, but this could also be an inner corner highlight, because I didn't include anything that's a typical inner corner highlight, because I think that some of these colors that I included here would be a perfect inner corner highlight. This one especially. This one is beautiful. So that's Blue's Clues by Touch of Glam. The next one is one of the this is actually discontinued. This is Green Apple by Luxie Beauty. This is one of my favorite colors by Luxie Beauty ever. It is a light lime green matte, and it is just perfect started out. If you want to have a green eye, to start out with Green Apple by Luxie is amazing. I hope she brings this back. I bought this when she opened her vault for Black Friday. I bought another one for you because I wanted you to have this color. It is stunning. Please, Jessica, we need Green Apple back. It's one of your best colors ever. It is so good, and I'm so happy it's in this palette. Ugh. Here comes another green. This is another one of those super shimmery ones from Touch of Glam. This one is called Envious, and this is a beautiful color, and this would be beautiful with a green crease. It would also be beautiful with a neutral crease or an orange or red crease. Look at how stunning that color is. That is a green that would fit with a lot of beautiful colors. The next one is a crowd pleaser. I know that people love this color, and I also love this, especially with a purple crease. This is Duper Star by Luxie Beauty. It is an absolutely stunning shade, and I know that it's a purple light blue duochrome. It is very similar, if not an exact dupe, of the one that's in the Huda Beauty palette. It is absolutely stunning. It is everything you ever dreamed of in a shimmery color. This is good on the lid, this is good on the lower lash line, this is good in the inner corners. Absolutely stunning. It also goes very well if you layer this on top of purple, like if you have purple on your lid and then go on top of with this. Stunning. So the last color in this row is a very beautiful, like, this is like the 143 by Colourpop, but cool, like a cool color. The other one has more of the burgundy tones, and this is Deep Grape by Coastal Scents. I know that this one doesn't swatch that good, but trust me, this one builds up on the lid, in the crease or wherever you want to put it, and it's absolutely stunning. I love this one. You can work with this with a brush so good, and it makes for an intense purple pop. Like, this gives you that intense purple crease that you've been dreaming about. Just look at how good these two look together. Yum. So yeah, let's look at the third row, and hopefully you will have some swatches on the side. It is this row that's right here, going all the way up to the bright purple. I hope you can see the difference between Deep Grape and 143, that the 143 is a lot more red toned than this deep purple. They are both purple mattes, but they're in a different tone. Totally. Okay, let's go into the fourth and final row. This is Atlantis by Luxie. It is a beautiful, this is part of the Metals collection. This formula is probably my favorite formula of all eyeshadows ever. It is so smooth, it is ultra metallic. Like, do you see that shine? So this is a sky blue, ultra metallic, super smooth, metally eyeshadow from Luxie called Atlantis. So good. You knew I had to give you a matte blue. This is Candy by Divina. It is a mid-tone sky blue matte. It is absolutely stunning. As you can see, that is beautiful. Imagine how fun this look would be together, and then just a light blue liner on the waterline. Oh, so beautiful. And the third one in this row is Come Out. This is by Coastal Scents, and this is a minty color. This is Assure Frost, and this is beautiful. I have actually used this in a tutorial on my channel. It is that beautiful metallic mint blue. So if you wanted to have something more minty or turquoise, this would be amazing with those purples in the crease. You remember that? A mint on the lid and like purple in the crease, amazing. So this is Assure Frost by Coastal Scents. Okay, last three shades. You know I had to include Spearmint by Touch of Glam. I think that this is stunning. This is like a forest green shimmer. It is absolutely stunning. This can also be used as a transformer shade on top of a green because it is not 100% opaque, but this in the corner is absolutely stunning. I think Spearmint is one of the most amazing colors I've come across in a long while. So this is Touch of Glam Spearmint, and I'm so excited to have this in the palette. This is one of the new colors that I've been totally into. This is Prehistoric Green by Coastal Scents. Do you see that? It's like Kermit green. It's literally Kermit green, and this is the color that I had in my crease in New Year's Eve. If you've seen the New Year's Eve look on my Instagram, this is the one that I had in my crease. It's absolutely stunning. I love this one. And the last color in the palette is the one that's the most dark, and this is Time Travel by Makeup Geek. It is a beautiful dark teal, very similar to the dark teals in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Only difference is that this one is actually workable. It is a very nice color. Now put some swatches on the side, but this is the last row, the one that's on the side here with the blues and the greens, because I felt like I had to have blues and greens in this palette because I love blues and greens, and I'm so sad that especially blues is not a color that everybody's into because it's so pretty. And so yeah, those are the swatches of all the colors that is included in my dream palette. Maybe you got some inspirations on how to mix and match colors and what colors maybe you want to bring into your collection if you want to be more into color, because all of these colors would work perfectly with a neutral as well. Like, you don't have to use all of them at once just because I do. And if you want to win one of these palettes for yourself, you will win the palette, like one of these, the ColourPop palettes that's it was all a dream, and then all of these single shadows that are in here, these exact colors, one of each, and I will bring them to you in a bundle so you can apply it yourself and either put them in the same way that I did, or if you want to put them in another order, that's totally fine too. All you have to do is comment down below, if you made an eyeshadow palette, what would be the color scheme? I mean, you don't have to be super specific, just like be like, I would have a blue and pink, or I would do a neutral with a pop of green. Like, tell me, if you did an eyeshadow palette, what would the color scheme be? Also, don't forget you need to be subscribed to my channel to enter this giveaway, and also keep your subscriptions like public so that if I go into your page, I can see that you're actually subscribed to me. That is very important, because if I draw a winner and the winner is not subscribed to me, or if I cannot see that they are subscribed to me, I will just pick another winner. So make sure that your subscriptions are public, at least for this giveaway. And I will keep this giveaway open. It's 23rd today, so I will keep it open until the 23rd of February. I will close it at midnight, the 23rd of February, my time, which is Central European time. Don't forget that I am in Europe, but all of these things will be listed down below, and I will send you the things to your home address. Make sure that you remember that I am in Europe, so if there's any taxes added to this value, which it shouldn't be because I will mark it as a gift, the taxes has to be paid by you. I cannot pay for the taxes, but I will pay for the gift, and I will pay for shipping them to you. This is of course open internationally. Make sure to enter the giveaway, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help me a lot, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget the buttons down below. I'd love to have you. I do upload quite a lot of videos, and I will see you in my next one, which will be tomorrow.